Good day, ma'am and sir. Let me first introduce myself. My name is Janice Cabarte Lagora from Philippines. I am 40 years old and I am single mom and I have two daughters. They are 8 years old and 11 years old. And I am undergraduate in college and Bachelor of Science in Nursing. As a nanny, I am hardworking, responsible, honest, and work without supervision. I have experience before in Dubai, Qatar, and Hong Kong. My main duties in Qatar is do the household chores, taking care the one kid boy, he's 10 years old, send and pick him up from school, cleaning the house, washing the clothes, ironing, and they are the three members of the family. In Dubai is do the household chores, cleaning the house, ironing, washing the clothes, taking care of the four kids. Their ages are 6 months old baby, 7 years old, 9 years old, and the last one is 13 years old, and they are the 6 members of the family. In Hong Kong is do the household chores, taking care of the two kids boys. Their ages are 8 and 11 years old, send and pick them up from school, washing the clothes, ironing, cooking, and marketing. And they are the 5 members of the family. Hope, ma'am and sir, you will hire me as one of your nanny. Thank you.